of your favorite lip care problem? We're sure you'll have great fun making the scrubs we've selected for today. What is more, you can eat them, and the scrub containers look like confectionery masterpieces. We'll make original packages for every scrub and lipstick. Decorate the first container as a cute animated pink marshmallow. We'll need a glass container with a top. Take some air drying modeling clay to add volume to the top. The air drying clay is well suited to craft as it doesn't need baking. Add more volume. Smooth the clay. Make an even curve to the sides. Press it against the table to get a flat top. While the top is hardening, add a ground coat to the jar. Cover the sides with white acrylic paint. Keep away from the jar neck. The paint is quite thick. Dip the sponge to make unsmooth texture. Put on the top. Continue covering with the ground coat. Let it dry. Paint it pink. Leave the top unpainted. Decorate the edge carefully. Paint a funny face. Start with the eyes. Outline a circle on the line between the top and the jar with a black first. Color the eye with the black acrylic paint. Make another eye. Add a nose. Under dark pink. Add reflections of light. We've got a cute kawaii marshmallow. You'll surely want to open this charming container to find a sweet filling inside. Do you like lollipops? Let's make a sweet scrub flavored with favorite candies. Take 3 lollipops. Them unwrapped in a plastic pocket. Hammer the candies. Watch your fingers. When there's powder inside, remove the wrappers and sticks and transfer the sweet stuff in a glass. Add a teaspoon of sour juice to reduce the excess sugary taste. We're using fresh tangerine juice. There's an easy way to make it without any special device. Tangerine. Pinch off a piece of the peel. Poke the pulp with the point of a knife. Squeeze the fruit to let the juice flow in the spoon. Pour in the powdered candy and stir. Add a teaspoon of sunflower oil and mix again. You can use olive or some other oil instead. Transfer the candies to the kawaii container. The pink marshmallow filled with the sounds tempting. Your lip care will be very deliciously flavored with your favorite candies. What about a tiny frosted cake? Sounds great! We're going to turn an ordinary scrub package into the appetizing dessert. Fill up pink polymer clay. Take a small rolling pin. You can also use a round pencil. Roll it up flat to make a strip. Trim the end. Attach the strip to the jar. Wrap it around. Cut off. That's the bottom layer. Make the orange strip in the same way. Attach on the top of the pink layer. Be careful to place the seams on top of each other. Cut off this clay on the neck level to let the top screw on freely. Middle layer is ready. Make the blue strip. Attach it to the top. Cut off the excess. Take it off. Perfect! The 3-layer cake base is ready. Imitate the spongy texture using a hard toothbrush. Now it's time to the clay. To avoid deforming, choose the minimal temperature mentioned. And baking time is 5 minutes. When cool, continue decorating. Top with the air drying white clay. Make a white disc for the. Attach it to the top. Turn it over and to stick well. Mold the drips on the sides. Dip your finger in water and smooth the clay. Roll up a little bit of white clay. Attach it between the pink and orange layers, covering it. It looks as if the sweet cream squeezed out. Make crinkles from tiny colored rolls. Add a cherry to the top of the cake. Make a dimple to imitate the cherry. Use a wooden stick. The mouth-watering package demands a worthy filling. Hold on, sweet tooth. We're going to make a chocolate scrub. Pour in 1 cup of oil. Add 3 squares of chocolate. We should melt the chocolate. Pour hot water in the bowl with the glass. Stir the mixture thick until liquid. Gradually add sugar to the melted chocolate. First add a spoonful. Stir with the stick. Add more sugar until thick enough. Put the chocolate filling in a cherry-topped cake. You can present this lovely scrub as a gift for your sweet-toothed friend or keep it for yourself. Make small portions and keep in the fridge during the week. We'll continue cooking experiments and shape another scrub container like a topped cupcake. Take polymer clay of a deep chocolate tint. Roll it up. Make a flat strip of the container side width. Use a small rolling pin or round pencil. Attach it to the jar. Cut off the excess. Make vertical slots using a tool. Remove gloss, imitating a spongy cupcake texture with the hard brush. Add a layer of orange marmalade. Make an orange clay disc. Place the top in the center and press over. Turn it up. Wrap the sides. Cut off the excess. Put it in the oven and bake at the minimal temperature mentioned in the instructions. 5 minutes maximum. Decorate the top with a whipped cream topping. Take the white air-drying clay. Roll up a little. Place a white spiral on the orange layer. Embellish the topping with colored salt. You can also use glitter or tiny seeds. Spread out evenly. It's so tempting. The cream-topped chocolate cupcake looks quite real. It's time to make a delicious filling. Put 3 teaspoons of sugar in the glass. Add a spoonful of honey. Give an exquisite flavor to the sweet base. Grapefruit and poke a small hole with the point of the small knife. Squeeze it like the tangerine to get some fresh juice. We'll need 2 teaspoons of the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix the ingredients. Transfer the sweet scrub into the cupcake. The recipe is quite simple but effective. Rub it on your lips for 30 seconds. Then wash off with lukewarm water and enjoy the citrus-flavored sweet and sour taste left on your lips. Let's turn an ordinary lipstick container into a bright spiral candy. We'll need clay of 3 colors: pink, apricot, and blue. The plastic container will get damaged if baked. That's why we're using the air-drying type of modeling clay. Roll up the blue clay. Attach one end to the container and wrap it spirally, rotating the lipstick. Tear off the excess clay. Spiral to make a slit between the cap and base. Pink roll. Attach it next to the blue one and repeat. Cut off the excess. Make a slit to let the lipstick open. Attach the apricot roll in the same way. Cut off the excess. Repeat, alternating the colors to cover the gap. Carefully press over to attach the clay. Cut off the excess. Cut the slit between the cap and base. Trim the top. Check if the lipstick opens. Take 2 small rolls. We've chosen apricot and pink. Coil them together to form a snail. Check it's the top. Snip off the excess. Correct the shape. Attach to the top. We've turned a plain lipstick into a funny catching candy. It will cheer you up each time you use it to apply on your lip. Wish we could care for our lips with this lovely sweet. Still, it looks unusual and delicious. Try the scrub recipes we showed in this video. They are completely natural, edible, and effective. Forget the chapped lips. These sweet scrubs will take care of your lips, making them soft and smooth. The exquisite sweet flavor will be there long after you wash the scrub off lips. Besides, the gorgeous containers look just like they are made by an expert cooking. The cute kawaii marshmallow, tiny frosted cake and chocolate cupcake and a spiral candy look so tempting, you can't stop thinking they are real desserts. Write in your comments which one is your favorite. Subscribe